Hello. Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to operate our Amazon Fire TV stick with the TV remote. Nowadays, it is becoming more and more common to have more devices connected to our TV at home, and these devices, in many of the cases, have their own remote control. So in the end we find ourselves in a situation where we need 4 or to be able to operate each of the devices. This can be a bit cumbersome, so the method we are going to see today will allow us to simplify the use of the devices, since we can use them simply with the TV remote control. As you can see, I am now using the remote control of my TV, from the LG, and using the arrows I can operate the Amazon Fire TV stick without any problem. To achieve this, all we have to do is go to the settings of the Amazon Fire TV stick, to the settings wheel, go to the display and sound section, enter inside and look for the option below that indicates HDMI CEC device control. This system what it tries, as I said before, is to simplify all the devices that we have connected by HDMI to the TV and that all work through the TV remote, so we can group everything we have connected by HDMI and handle it with a single command. This option you have to have it active. If, as you see, I deactivate this option, the TV remote control stops working. There it is, it does not work anymore, and only the Fire TV works with its own remote control. On the other hand, if I turn this option back on, as you can see, the TV remote works again without any problem. As a general rule, the HDMI CEC function is enabled as standard on virtually all televisions, but if by any chance you activate the option on the Fire TV from here, as you are seeing, and the TV remote still does not work, you will have to activate it on the TV as well. In this case, I in my DLG TV would have to go into settings. Now you are going to see it. I go to connection, let's see if this looks good. There it is, I go to connection, inside connection I go to device connection settings, and here I have, as you see, Symling HDMI CEC. With this option activated is the one that synchronizes the devices connected by HDMI. Well guys, here comes the video. As always, if you liked it and you have been useful, do not forget to leave me a good like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and give the little bell to not miss anything. I for my part, nothing more, as always, a pleasure and until the next video.